what are the requirements that are needed prior to start editing in the editor over there. In order to make you understand about what are the requirements that are needed prior to start editing over there in the ArcMap software, you need to know first of all, my dear, what is meant by the start editing over there. My dear, if you want to understand about the start editing, my dear, I do tell you one thing. Once you have done your start editing, all right, what can you do over there? You will be able to add attribute data to a shapefile over there. Once you have done start editing in the editor over there, in the ArcMap software, you will be able to edit the feature you have added in the shapefile over there. We can add feature or we can add attribute data to a shapefile over there. I'm going to tell you about the requirements that are needed prior to start editing in the editor over there. The first requirement is open or start ArcMap software over there. And second thing is there, that one is required prior to start editing in the editor over there. That one is you need to add an editor to the tools of the toolbar. All right, my dear. And the third thing is there that you need to do as a requirement that is needed prior to start editing in the editor over there. That one is you need to add a shapefile you might have created earlier on or a layer of data in the ArcMap software, or if you haven't created a shapefile or the layer of data in the ArcMap software, you can create a shapefile in the ArcMap software in this way. A layer of data or the shapefile will be added itself in the ArcMap software.